Hi, good morning po. It's 3:40 a.m. September the 26th.
Your little hands wrapped around my finger and it's so quiet in the world tonight. Your little eyelids flutter cause you're dreaming, so I tuck you in, turn on your favorite night light.
Starting from
To
the
you,
lampshade,
everything's funny.
babies na coffee,
You got nothing to regret. I give all I have, honey. If you could stay like that.
curtain,
Oh, darling, don't you ever go. Don't you ever go. Just stay this little. Oh, darling, don't you ever go. Don't you ever go. It can stay this simple. I won't let nobody hurt you. Won't let no one break your heart.
Facebook.
No one will desert you. Just try to never grow up.
Aming mga charger.
Never grow up.
Hi Liz, good morning.
You're in the car on the way to the movies and you're mortified your mom's dropping you off. 14, there's just so much you can't do and you can't wait to move out someday and call your own shots. But don't make her drive you off around the block. Remember that she's getting older too, and don't lose the way that you dance around in your PJs getting ready for school. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up. Don't you ever grow up. Just stay this little. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up. Don't you ever grow up. It could stay this simple. And no one's ever burned you. Nothing's ever left you scarred.
Small cabinet.
Even though you want to,
And this is the
just
main
try
door.
to never grow up.
Yan po ang CR nila. Pagpasok mo, lahat na glass.
Take pictures in your mind of your childhood room. Memorize what it sounded like when your dad gets home. Remember the footsteps, remember the words said, and all your little brother's favorite songs.
Laki ng kanilang shower.
I just realized everything I have is someday gonna be gone. So here I am in my new apartment in a big city.
Yan.
They just
Ito
dropped
si
me
Taan.
off. It's so much colder
Tahimik
than
na
I
tahimik si
thought it
Taan.
would be, so I tucked myself in
Yung
and turned my
surroundings
night
niya, oh.
light on.
Yan. Ito yung sa baba, ang daming naninirahan.
Wish I'd never
Pagka
grown up.
naghimutok si Taan, nag-evacuate lahat yan.
Wish I'd never
Kasi
grown
karamihan
up.
sila nila nagbubuhay sa
I don't wanna grow up. Wish I'd never grown up. I could still be little. Oh, I don't wanna grow up. Wish I'd never grown up. It could still be simple. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up. Don't you ever grow up. Just stay this little. Oh, darling, don't you ever grow up. Don't you ever grow up. Could stay this simple. Won't let nobody hurt you. Won't let no one break your heart. And even though you want to, please try to never grow.
Nandito na naman ako sa baba. Living. Si
Just to
Liz.
never grow.
Nasa buffet pa rin. Sinusubukan
Just
ko.
to never grow up.
Nakakuha ang full view ng Taal Vista. Nandito yung restaurant nila. Diyan kami nag-buffet. Yan. Okay. Ito, pababa ako ng nagdaanan papunta uli ng Taal. Oh, kumusta na mga anak? Ito medyo kami, unwind kami ni mama niya. Ayan. Si Taal ayaw magpakita. Ayun, nagpakita na rin. Yan. Papanik na ako, baka tapos na kumain si Liz. Matutulog muna kami. 12 check out na kami. Okay. Bye guys. Pwesto ngayon si Liz doon sa puno na 34 years ago na pumanik siya. Ngayon, gaano nakalaki yung puno, tingnan ninyo. Oh, yan. Oh, ayan na yung puno. Gusto pa pumanik ni Lisa. Unggoy to eh. Okay, bye guys. Yes, entering ng restaurant. Ayan si Liz. Yan, nagsasalad na lang siya. Ako nakatatlong balik ako. Pero konti-konti lang. Ito si Liz yan. Pilit na inuubos ang kanyang vegetable. And satisfied, very satisfied and happy naman si mama niya.
Yan.
Mga bata.
Ah.
Video. Yan, tignan niyo yung full view, yung mga kumakain. Hanggang doon sa dulo may coffee. Lahat ng ano nila sinaserve nila is imported foods. Walang local foods. Kaya sa buffet pa lang, sulit na yung binayad namin ni Mama. Well compensated. Thank you, Taal. Magka-coffee ka pa ba? Paringan tayo. Nahingan tayo para mamaya before 12. Pack up na tayo. Check out na. Sige na guys. Bye-bye.